Unit 6, Chapter 1, Days of the Week. Listen, sing, and act. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too, Wednesday, Thursday just for you, Friday, Saturday, that's the end. Now let's say those days again. Listen and repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Find the names of the days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look, listen, and answer. How many Sundays are there in January? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look at the calendar and put the days of the week in the proper order.